When prices are rising, everybody always wants to know how high can they go. The excitement is building, the emotion is strong, and greed is setting in. And a lot of people begin to think, well, it can continue going up forever. The same is true when prices are falling. Except people don't want to know how high they can go. People begin to get concerned about how low they can go. And the same way that they think that prices can go up forever is the same thing that sets in, and they begin to think that everything is going to zero. Now, we're going to talk a little bit about it in the video today. We're going to talk about Shiba Inu coin, some major support levels, and of course how low the price could go as the downtrend deepens. So let's talk about it. If it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay, and as you can see, we're going to be talking about Shiba Inu coin's price action in the video today, but I do want to say thank you for watching this video. I'm sure you've noticed it's not on my original channel. This is Claybro Clips, and I'm unable to post on Claybro for probably another 2 months or so. YouTube will not explain why, and I am very upset about that. So if you want to continue watching the videos, please click the subscribe button here. I thank you guys all for the support, and we're going to continue being as consistent as possible, all that good stuff. But let's talk about this downtrend. Let's talk about the price of Shiba Inu coin. And before we do, I do want to say one of the ways that I've been able to alleviate a lot of the pressure is through diversification. And one of the cryptocurrencies that I've been buying into is Best Wallet. Now, Best Wallet is not a meme coin. Okay, Best Wallet is not extremely speculative in the sense that, it's all about community. Best Wallet is an actual cryptocurrency wallet. Matter of fact, I use it. You can download it on Google Play Store. They've got over 500,000 downloads on Google Play, similar numbers on the Apple App Store. Check it out. It's very easy. They actually have a lot of unique features with like upcoming ICOs and stuff like that. They're going to be adding a card where you can spend soon. So if you're interested, click that link down in the description below. It's going to pull up this website right here, and I'm excited about it because number one, like Trust Wallet, MetaMask, all these different wallets out there, they are all easy and they all have some of the same features. But Best Wallet actually has additional features, like the fact that you can manage an entire portfolio, see all of your assets combined value in one location. Very similarly to all of the other platforms where you can stake. You can actually earn additional staking rewards if you do own Trust Wallet token. And coming soon is their spend feature. This is the main thing that a lot of people don't understand about crypto, right? They think that, you go out and you buy this magic internet money and then that's it. That's all you've got. Well, no, you can actually spend your cryptocurrency. Now, you might not want to spend your Bitcoin, but you can spend USDT the same as you can spend a US dollar. And they're going to be bringing that feature soon to the app. So if you guys are interested in that, these guys are building out an entire platform. They're doing very well. They've already raised $16.6 million. And in the next 3 hours, the price is going to rise again. So if you guys are interested in it, make sure to click that link down in the description below and check it out a little bit more. But let's talk about the Shiba Inu coin price. And I do own Best Wallet. I don't know if I said that. I own Best Wallet token as well as use Best Wallet. So just let that be known. But let's talk about Shiba Inu coin, right? It says it faces sustained bearish pressure and continued price retracement as investors are pondering how low Shiba Inu coin could fall. This prolonged downtrend started on October 10th as the price dropped to 7,400 points or 740 points per coin amid China-U.S. trade tensions. And let's be honest with each other, okay? We've been through this before. I'd say the vast majority, like 95% of you guys are very logical. Some of you are insane. But nonetheless, you can look back 9 months. And you can see the trade concerns at the beginning of 2025 when the president announced all of these tariffs. And we saw major price declines. Bitcoin came back down to like $70-something thousand. We saw major declines at the beginning of 2025. And then what happened? Trade deal after trade deal after trade deal. The United States was in a much better position than it's ever been before. Prices were hitting all-time highs. Everybody was getting excited. And then, of course, we've got this announcement just about a week and a half, 2 weeks ago, and it's caused utter panic, insanity, right? And insanity because people are making decisions not based on logic, but on pure fear alone. When you watch the price of Shiba Inu coin decline uncontrollably, losing 50% of its value in a matter of minutes, we're talking billions of dollars wiped out because we announced tariffs once again, the same tariffs that led to trade deals, that led to growth, that led to all-time highs in Bitcoin, that we made it through. People are now panicking, thinking we won't make it through this time. It does not make sense. So it says, despite recovering from those October 10th lows, currently trading around 1,000 points per coin, slightly below 1,000 at 996 at the moment that I'm recording this video here, it says Shiba Inu coin is still showing negative performance across multiple time frames. Token is down 6.61% over the last week and it's fallen 19% over the last 30 days. So factors driving Shiba Inu coin lower. It is essentially the US-China trade war. Now, I don't think by any means this is some sort of a war, right? These are negotiating tactics. China has lost its mind in the sense that they think that they can control 100% of rare earth minerals. And yes, even the President Trump has said 100% tariffs on China, this increase, are unsustainable. So it will lead to negotiations. These people aren't, they might seem stupid to you because they make weird decisions, right? But these people aren't stupid, right? They want money. They want power. They want control. And if they continue down this path of instability and unsustainability, they're not going to get the things that they want. So they will negotiate. We will make it through. And not only will we see a Chinese-U.S. trade resolution, we're going to see the U.S. government open back up. We are going to see interest rates cut even further. We are going to see even more cryptocurrency ETFs. We are going to see regulation here in the United States, and prices will eventually rise. But the problem right now is how low can Shiba Inu coin go? Now, you've got support at 900, you've got support at 800, you've got support at 74 or 740 points per coin, and even 600 points per coin, being Shiba Inu coin's strongest level of support for major subsequent rebound. But let me tell you something, okay? After this decline right here, this pure emotional drop, don't think that Shiba Inu coin can't fall further. Don't think that Shiba Inu coin can't go back down to $1 billion valuation. Don't think that anything is impossible. Because at the same time, when Shiba Inu coin begins to rise, it will also not make sense. People will be buying, they could buy now for 900 points per coin, but they will prefer to buy when Shiba Inu coin is back up at 4,000 points per coin, 5,000 points per coin, rising beyond belief. They will choose to buy then instead of choosing to buy now because they want to buy when they're greedy. They do not want to buy when they're fearful. Push through the emotion, understand where we are, and everything will be okay. So let me know what you guys are buying down in the comments below. And until the next time, hope to each and every one of you have an awesome day.